Clutter disappears when your backyard gets the right storage solution built for durability, weather resistance, and everyday convenience. Best outdoor storage shed options combine strong materials, smart design, and ample space to protect tools, gear, and seasonal essentials year-round. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Aoxun Backyard Outdoor Storage Shed. The Aoxun Backyard Outdoor Storage Shed stands out as a durable and practical solution for homeowners who need reliable outdoor storage without constant maintenance. Built with a heavy-duty galvanized steel frame, this shed is engineered to withstand harsh weather conditions, making it a dependable choice for year-round use. Its reinforced wall panels and thick metal roof add structural integrity, allowing it to handle winds up to 30 miles per hour and moderate snow loads without compromising stability. The sloped roof design is a smart addition, preventing water buildup while also maximizing interior headroom for easier movement and storage organization. Ventilation is another strong point, with strategically placed vents that keep air circulating and reduce moisture buildup, which helps protect tools and equipment from rust or damage. The lockable doors add a layer of security, ensuring your belongings stay safe. Beyond storage, its versatile design allows it to function as a garden workspace, pet shelter, or even a discreet garbage enclosure. Overall, this shed offers a solid balance of durability, functionality, and flexibility, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a long-lasting outdoor storage upgrade.
Number 2. Rubbermaid Backyard Outdoor Storage Shed. The Rubbermaid Backyard Outdoor Storage Shed delivers a highly functional and user-friendly design tailored for homeowners who need to store larger outdoor equipment efficiently. With its spacious 7x7 foot footprint, it easily accommodates bulky items such as riding mowers, push mowers, and patio furniture, making it ideal for those with extensive lawn care needs. One of its standout features is the 180-degree door opening, which significantly improves accessibility, allowing you to move large equipment in and out without hassle. The reinforced roof design is another major advantage, offering 50% greater strength compared to similar models, and the ability to withstand heavier snow loads, which enhances its reliability in varying climates. Additionally, the integrated rain gutter system helps manage water flow effectively, reducing the risk of leaks or water pooling around the base. Improved ventilation ensures consistent airflow inside the shed, helping to keep stored items dry and well protected. Constructed with durable, weather-resistant materials, this shed requires minimal upkeep while maintaining its structural integrity over time. Overall, it combines convenience, durability, and smart design features, making it a dependable choice for organized and secure outdoor storage.
Number 3. Suncast Patio Outdoor Storage Shed. The Suncast Patio Outdoor Storage Shed is a compact yet highly efficient storage solution, particularly suited for smaller outdoor spaces such as patios or tight garden areas. Despite its 6x4 footprint, the shed is designed with a tall vertical structure that maximizes storage capacity, making it ideal for long-handled tools like shovels, brooms, and garden rakes. Its multi-wall resin construction is a major advantage, offering excellent resistance against weather elements such as rain, snow, and UV exposure without the risk of rust, rot, or warping. This makes it virtually maintenance-free, a big plus for busy homeowners. Security is also well addressed with padlock-ready handles and a sturdy resin latch helping to keep your tools and equipment safe from theft or tampering. The included floor adds convenience and ensures stored items remain clean and elevated from ground moisture. With approximately 54 cubic feet of storage space, it provides enough room for essential outdoor gear while maintaining a compact footprint. Overall, this shed is a practical, low-maintenance option for those who prioritize durability, security, and efficient use of limited space.
Number 4. Aoxun Sloped Outdoor Storage Shed. The Aoxun sloped outdoor storage shed is designed for users who need a robust and versatile storage unit capable of handling heavier equipment and challenging outdoor conditions. Its construction features thick galvanized steel panels combined with a reinforced frame, delivering excellent durability and resistance against rust and corrosion. A standout feature is the included interlocking plastic floor with a wood grain texture, which not only enhances aesthetics, but also provides strong load-bearing support, making it suitable for heavy machinery and tools. The sloped roof design improves both water drainage and interior space, allowing for better organization of tall items. Dual front doors offer easy access, especially when storing bulky items like bicycles or lawn equipment, while the built-in ventilation system helps regulate airflow and prevent condensation buildup. Security is also well considered, with reinforced hinges and a stainless steel latch that protects against unauthorized access. Its all-weather engineering ensures reliable performance during heavy rain or snowfall, making it a dependable choice for long-term outdoor use. Overall, this shed combines strength, smart design, and adaptability, making it ideal for homeowners who need a heavy-duty storage solution.
Number 5. Outsunny Garden Outdoor Storage Shed. The Outsunny Garden Outdoor Storage Shed offers a well-balanced combination of space, functionality, and visual appeal, making it a versatile addition to any backyard or garden setup. Designed to accommodate a wide range of items, it provides ample room for garden tools, pool supplies, bicycles, and other outdoor equipment. One of its most distinctive features is the built-in window, which allows natural light to enter the shed, improving visibility and creating a more pleasant interior environment. The addition of an upper vent further enhances airflow, helping to reduce moisture buildup and keep stored items dry. Security is also a priority, with lockable doors that help protect valuable equipment from theft. Constructed from a mix of durable metal and plastic materials, the shed is built to withstand various weather conditions, including rain, wind, and UV exposure. The peaked roof design not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also improves water runoff and structural stability. Overall, this shed is a practical and attractive storage solution that combines durability, ventilation, and ease of use, making it a solid option for homeowners seeking dependable outdoor organization.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.